Hey everyone, welcome back to Temperament Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Albino Bristlenose Plecos. The Albino Bristlenose Pleco is a captivating freshwater fish species well loved by aquarists for its unique appearance and utility as a tank cleaner. The albino variety of the common bristlenose pleco is distinguished by its pale yellow to white body and red or pink eyes. Originally found in rivers, streams across South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, bristlenose plecos are now selectively bred worldwide for their albino coloration. Albino bristlenose plecos are known for their distinctive bristles, which develop on the heads of the mature males and to a lesser extent in females. These bristles are believed to play a role in territorial displays and mate attraction, making them one of the most iconic features of this species. Albino bristlenose plecos are small, flattened fish with a sucker mouth that allows them to clean the surfaces. They have smooth, scaleless bodies covered in bony plates. Their albino coloration makes them stand out in any aquarium. They grow to a maximum size of about 4 to 5 inches, making them ideal for smaller aquariums compared to larger pleco species. In the wild, bristlenose plecos inhabit slow-moving rivers, streams, and floodplains with soft, sandy, or muddy substrates. They are nocturnal bottom dwellers, often hiding in crevices, roots, and under submerged logs during the day. They thrive in water temperatures of 75 degrees to 81 degrees Fahrenheit and prefer a pH range of 6.5 to 7.5, with soft to moderately hard water. Minimum tank size is 20 gallons for 1 or 2 plecos. Provide plenty of hiding spots such as driftwood, caves, and rock formations as these fish enjoy shelter. Use a soft substrate like sand or smooth gravel to protect the delicate undersides. Include live plants, which they will not harm, and natural decorations to mimic their natural habitats. Albino bristlenose plecos are herbivores and require a diet rich in plant material. While they will graze on algae, supplemental feeding is necessary for their health. Feed algae wafers, blanched vegetables, and occasional protein sources like bloodworms or shrimp pellets. Driftwood is essential in their diet as it aids in digestion and mimics their natural feeding habits. Albino bristlenose plecos are peaceful and make great tank mates for community aquariums. Suitable companions include tetras, reservoirs, and other small schooling fish, corridors, catfish, guppies, and mollies. Avoid aggressive or territorial species that may harass these gentle bottom dwellers. Albino bristlenose plecos are excellent algae eaters, making them invaluable for controlling algae growth in aquariums. However, they are not replacement for proper tank maintenance. If you're a gardener or farmer with an aquaponics setup, albino bristlenose plecos can be a great addition. Their grazing helps maintain clean tank surfaces and plant leaves, preventing algae buildup that could harm aquatic plants. Their waste also contributes to a nutrient-rich environment for plants, making them a natural choice for aquaponics systems. That's a quick introduction to everything you need to know about caring for the albino bristlenose plecos. These small, hardworking fish are not only a stunning addition to your aquarium, but also play a central role in tank maintenance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or experiences with albino bristlenose plecos in the comments. Happy fish keeping!